Let's log into WordPress dashboard after installation. Firstly, load your website. Secondly, in your website URL, add /wplugin.php. Insert the username and password you created during WordPress installation in cPanel. Then click Login. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into your WordPress dashboard to start editing your website. To log out, simply click on the user avatar at the top left corner of the panel. Then click Log Out.